Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to start affiliate marketing step by step and make passive income. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to make a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I post a new video, which is every single day. So first of all, you have to be prepared to learn and take the time to learn it, because it does take some time. There's not a lot that goes into it, but there is some things that you actually need to know. So you really need to be prepared to learn, because the people that are learning all the time are the people that actually make it. However, if you do not actually put in the work and just learn and learn and learn, you are not going to get anywhere, because people that actually make it are the people who put in the work. There are so many people out there that just spend so much time learning and learning and learning that they don't actually put in the work. Now, I hope that's not you, but if that's you, you absolutely need to change it, and it's very possible to do that, but you just need to get down to it and start off right now. Like, as soon as you finish this video, there's no excuse, you actually need to do it. So first of all, you really need to find out what your niche is and have a product that you actually want to sell. So if you don't know what products you want to sell, there's a link in the description on my #1 recommendation on what that can be. So it really needs to be something that you're either using or that other people are really using and liking. The one I have in the description is actually something that you absolutely need to have. If you don't have that, then you are not going to make any money, like either way. So that is a very good way to actually start, is by having something that people need 100%. So if you have anything where you make money online, then that thing you are going to need to use it. Whether you promote it or not, that is something that you are going to use. So you can absolutely click on that. But that is one thing that's really important, is have something that people are going to buy either way. Because if you manage to put yourself in the middle and actually have an affiliate link like that, then people are just going to buy it either way. But if they click on your link, you are going to make some money from that. So the great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't actually need to have a ton of money. Like, all you have to do to sign up to a link is just sign up, basically. So the great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't actually need your own product. You can have a product from any brand, pretty much any product, and just sell it, and they take care of everything. There's no customer support, there's nothing like that. You can do everything by yourself. But first of all, you want to start by doing content marketing. Now, what I mean by content marketing is creating either a YouTube channel. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, you need to create one right now and start promoting. Or maybe you want to start blogging. Do you have a blog? Maybe you do. If you don't, then it's time to actually create a blog. And those two are my favorite ones, because this channel is about how to make passive income, and these are the ones that actually make passive income. So if you want to make passive income, choose one of these two, because these are the ones that are able to make you passive income. Now, there are some other ones that work really well, but you really need to be active all the time. So what are these? Maybe it's Facebook. Facebook content works very well. Instagram content works very well. And there is another one that's not content marketing, but that's paid ads. So if you have a big budget and you can spend it on paid ads, keeping in mind that you will lose money at the beginning, then you can absolutely do that. But content marketing is either a YouTube channel or a blog if you really want to make passive income. So if you haven't had one of these and you want to get into affiliate marketing, just start right now and create either a YouTube channel or a blog. Now, you don't want to do both, because if you do both, that will just split you too thin and you're not going to get anywhere. That's the biggest mistake I made when I first started. I started doing Instagram, YouTube, Facebook group. I did all these different things and I was just not getting anywhere. I was not anywhere near consistent as I am now by posting every single day. I wanted to post every single day, but I was split too thin and couldn't manage. Now, there are some people that do that, but they are very rare. Think of Gary Vee, for example. He does everything, but he didn't start off like that. So I went a bit sidetracked with that, but that is very important. So you want to create a YouTube channel or a blog, then you want to have either high ticket items or recurring offers. So high ticket items are items that are worth 100 or items that are worth at least $500, and you can just like sell one, get $500 and then sell another one and you're making $1,000. Recurring offers are the ones that I prefer, because recurring offers are ones that you just pile up. So if you make $50, it's not as big as the 100 that you would make, but then you make another sale with another $50 and you're making 100. But that doesn't stop there, because the next month you're still making the money that you started off with. So it just piles up, and that's how you're able to make 6 or 7 figures if you're really dedicated. Now, you do have to stick to this because it does take a while to actually grow, but it is 100% worth it. You really need to pick a niche that you're interested in, because if you go all over the place, you won't make any sales. So really pick something that you really like. Maybe it's making money online just like I'm doing. Maybe it's something else, but you really need to be specific to a certain niche, because otherwise people are going to watch your videos, but then they're not going to buy anything from you. So if you talk about cats, you'll have people watching that video, they'll subscribe, and then you're talking about how to grow flowers, for example, and that is not the same thing. So it's very hard to actually get people that are really interested in what you are talking about. So obviously, if you have a YouTube channel and a blog, and I say obviously, but a lot of people who are just starting out don't know this, but you will have to build an email list. So you absolutely need to do that, because that is how you are going to make some sales. Because at first, you might not be making some sales, but at least you'll have their email. And I'm not going to talk about email marketing in this video, but I have a ton of other videos talking about this. But you really have to keep in mind that if you're not building an email list, then it's going to be very hard to stay consistent and actually have some real clients to yourself, because your clients will not be your clients because you don't have their email. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it, that you got a ton of value. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.